How about 54 Chrysler New Yorker? Two-door hardtop. 331 Hemi. Automatic. Has a 12-volt wiring system in it. That is so sweet. All the original patina. Actually, it looks like a very solid car, which is not bad. Not bad at all. New interior. New tires and rims. That's a plus or a minus, but she is a cruiser. That is cool. That is cool. Let's see what they're asking on this puppy. 54 Chrysler New Yorker, marked down from 20 to 18.5. Or best offer. Says he's got 108 on the clock. That's it. Neat. Pretty little Riviera. You know me with Rivs, I do enjoy them. This is 64, just have 15 years ownership, amateur restoration, 465, correct code is 629, saddle interior, power windows, power driver seat, remote mirror, power disc brakes, drives well, asking 31.9. That's not a bad looking car. That is pretty nice. And again, with the black, it just does not lie. If you could do a black car, you're doing pretty well. I'm looking at the joints and such. Not bad at all. The stainless is looking pretty good. There's some cracking over there. There's some bubbling coming through there. I don't like the bodywork there. There are some blems on it, and they are asking serious coins, so I don't know. Hey, again, it's Wednesday. You can always go down. Sweet little pony over here. Automatic. With a V8. Does not have the pony interior. Unusual. 65 coupe. Original engine drivetrain. C code 289 with a 2-barrel. See what other good stuff it has. Super solid undercarriage, floors and trunk. Everything works. AM radio. 65. 65, 289. No.
36.9.
Asking 36,000. Now, what's interesting, again, the build quality on these were never fantastic because they punched out so many. 409,000 in the first year, which is pretty remarkable. Fit and finish looks okay.
Same interior.
Looks okay.
How you doing?
Not bad. Not bad.
I told you about that.
Well, he's asking top dollar for a little 289 automatic coupe. I'm having too much fun in the car corral over here. A little 50 with the flathead 8. I like the louvered hood. The pinstriping looks great. It's a 4-door, kind of sealed up. We don't need no stinking chrome. It looks good though, folks. Bugs. She wears it well. She really does. Cute. Asking 10.5. I'd say that'd be interesting, even though it is a 4-door.